Hello, my name is Cristina. I live in Basel and I had 2 house clearings by Joanna where I really find it helpful how the energy shifted from before and after. So as an example, the first apartment was my old apartment where I had often that sensation that when I was outside the house, I was feeling good. I was, my mood was uplifted, I was positive, I was happy, I was joyful. And when I got back to the apartment, it didn't really last long. It took me around 30 minutes or something like that, and then I was feeling like my energy was dropping. So I started to have negative thought loops. I became stuck. I kind of got like lethargic. I was really then. I also had some entity attacks, I have to admit, during the night. And she did the clearing, and then we found she found out that there were portals open, entities in there, spirits, and stuff like that, and she cleared it all, and I could really feel the difference. It was really like a uplifting energy for the house, for the apartment. And from then I was again kind of feeling really good to go home, and I really enjoyed again my old apartment. And the second clearing that I got was now, because of that experience that I had, I thought, well, before I move into my new apartment, I let her clear out the house, so that I'm really, that I can have this clean slate moving in with my own energy. And that was really, really necessary, what we then found out, according to what came up and was displayed in the clearing. So there again, there were a lot of portals, a lot of, kind of low vibe energy from the previous tenant. So not sure if she was grieving or, whatever happened, but we could clear it all, she did. She cleared it all so that I could move into an apartment that feels now so amazing. It's really like home. I can really land. I can really create my new sweet home. So I really recommend, if you have, finding trouble of, sleeping, or if you have troubles also with the mood, like I shared, I really highly recommend to have the clearing by Joanna, because you will really sense the difference from before and after.